You got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out caraudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
How's it going, man?
Thank you.
I was behind you in line on registration. I thought I gotta check it out. What you running in here?
I got 8 Resilience Sound Platinum 15s on currently 2 JB63s.
Okay.
I blew my other 2 and wired at half ohm right now. Then the box specs, 22 hertz in the rear, 44 in the front. I got 2 Mechman 250 amp alternators. The plexi is 1.25 inch thick.
Oh yeah. So, you don't have any issues with it breaking?
No. So what happened is the windshield, since it's an old truck, it's not glued in. Yeah. So it popped it out at the last show. So I just popped it back in. But this is a more permanent.
Yeah.
More permanent solution.
Probably harder to get that windshield anyway, ain't it?
Exactly. Yeah.
Yeah. Might as well fix it one time, I guess.
Yep. Oh, the box. Oh, they do work.
What kind of truck is this?
What's that?
What kind of truck is it?
It's a 1965 Chevy panel truck.
Okay. Almost like a Suburban kind of, old school Suburban.
And I never have issues. This is the first time.
Hey, at least you made the slam. Nothing else.
Yeah, right?
Yeah, man. It's a big one of the year.
Yeah, I drove 15 and a half hours.
I was just about to ask how long was that drive.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was a stretch right there. As far as you drive most of the time?
Hold on, I gotta look back here.
Okay.
Yeah, no, it's Ampere mode. It should connect.
I think that Bluetooth gives us all a run for our money.
Yeah.
It's hard to get it going right.
Well, I have a JL receiver. It's like 50 bucks.
Yeah.
And I just have to Bluetooth that, and it goes straight to RCA. So.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I didn't know they made those. I might look into one of those.
All right, here we go. Now we're connected. This song is 20 to 25 hertz.
Okay, so we'll do a little win.
Oh yeah.
Everybody on the site when I start to yeah. Shit, I used to clean up shit for the river to toilet. Now
Where can they find you on social media, man? You anywhere online?
Yeah, so I'm on TikTok and I'm on Facebook. My name's Owen Labonte, Labonte. You want a second song?
Oh yeah, you got it. That'd be great.
Monster this motherfucker. She in the house, she yeah, I'm but a nigga for now. On the floor, a nigga doing
I sure appreciate it, man.
You want some hides too?
You got it.
Alright.
This thing played on it.
So my highs is considered 35. So
It's still playing. It's like it's playing no problem.
I just keep
Yeah, man, I sure appreciate it, brother. Yeah. Well, what's the next show y'all going to?
too early to tell. I'm breaking too much shit.
Yeah. Yeah, man, I sure appreciate seeing y'all guys out, man. I'll see y'all on the next one, man. Okay, let's do it. Yeah, it's still
Subscribe to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me?
All right, so appreciate it, man. Tell me.
And you got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.